Hello, welcome to my channel. How greenhouse climates work in growth of plants. They are geothermal heated greenhouses that support plants' life process in changing climate conditions. These heated greenhouses consume a large amount of heat energy when it comes to gardening and agriculture. However, it should be satisfying to most gardeners because of the good results they are providing to the growth and development of the plants. Most of these energy needs and geothermal conditioning are basically structured and according to environmental ecological orientation of most greenhouses. The energy needs are adjusting based on the certain climate change that may occur from the different seasons of the year. They are built with light material that have minimal insulating features to create stable climate inside the greenhouse. The external climate brings a different approach to an internal climate system in greenhouse. The necessity to have the greenhouse may occur during colder season where there is limited sunlight. The main purpose of having internal climate system is to optimize the needed factors for plant growth. The internal climate factor that will be obtained is the photosynthesis process involved in environment and plant reactions. Photosynthesis is the reaction process between the plants and the sun's solar radiation. This means that carbon dioxide is supplied by sunlight to create a life process for the plants. There is certain amounts of climate heat that is calculated to designate to the needed supply for lighting and heating. The greenhouse climate is essential in calculating the needed heat and coolness to the demands of the greenhouse. The existence of heating and humidifying system can adjust to the condition of any external climate changes. Some processes that take part to the continuous energy balance maintained in any greenhouse is the water transport through the soil, plant, canopy, and air. The formation of chlorophyll affects the entire internal climate. This happens because the effect of heat transfer, solar light, oxygen, and carbon dioxide cycle. Here are the some factors in valuing each aspect of parameter that is important to the climate condition and character of the internal climate. 1. The air movement in the greenhouse may influence the needed heat transfer on the air composition in the plant's canopy. It also involves the process of water transfer to the plant's canopy. These processes will sustain the energy balance needed by the plants to continue a healthier life process in the greenhouse. 2. The heating installation is essential for the proper distribution of the temperature inside the greenhouse. It also allows a controlled air movement to maintain a humidity and moisture in air characteristic that is affected by the external climate change. 3. The water transport in the greenhouse also play a big role in sustaining the photosynthesis process in the environment of the plants. The root have aspect pertaining to cultivation base that offer a needed amount of water, which is also needed in humidity and greenhouse temperature. 4. The air temperature affects the whole energy state inside the greenhouse. It is the connective heat supply in the different aspects of the environment. The characteristic of the air movement in greenhouse influence the leaf and stem of each plant. 5. The light factor is very essential in producing photosynthesis reaction to the plant's canopy and to the formation of carbon dioxide that serve a big role in the respiration of plants. Its necessity takes significant on the plant's development and life process inside the greenhouse. Solar radiation provides instant intensity of the light spectrum to supply the needed warmth and heat energy during colder seasons. 6. The soil of ground-based temperature affect the condition of the climate inside the greenhouse as well. The significant parameter involve the transfer of the heat energy directly to the ground structure, which include the roots and water flow system that partake in the plant's growth. 7. The carbon dioxide concentration also take part in the life process inside the greenhouse. The normal averages of carbon dioxide concentration in external air atmosphere is 0.03%. This is important to maintain a balanced temperature and humidity density in the greenhouse. It is important for a greenhouse to have installed system to create an environment that will provide continuous life process for plants in changing climate condition. As well, plant greenhouse climate should assure a person of having proper distribution of light, temperature, water, carbon dioxide, and bye.